on, baby. Let's dry out a
All
dryer
right, come
vent.
over here, Rhonda. All right, so if you ever got a problem in a DIY project where your dryer is not drying correctly, you might consider that your vent is clogged up with lint. There's one way to solve this damn problem, and you're about to find out. First, you got to get out your leaf blower. You got to prime it, get it ready. There we go. As you can see, I have the old dryer out, getting ready to put the new one in. Now we're going to get this dryer vent all the way out, get that sucker clean. That's how you do it in the South. There it is down there. This is our dryer vent. Fits perfect. I think we got it.
Think so.
Now we got to put our new dryer vent in, our new dryer period, see if the old one works.